established in the year 2001, headed by Dean of Student Welfare, currently having a strength of more than 500 members. NSS IIT Roorkee has been working rigorously for community healthcare, employment generation and environmental protection. General Secretary Mr. Gaurav Gupta, Deputy General Secretary Ms. Samya Mishra and Additional Secretary Mr. Apur Arora and Pratik Kataria, NSS is working hard to achieve its goal. Let's start with the most active cell, Prerna. In this cell, evening classes are conducted throughout the year in which children are taught in both English and Hindi medium by the members at Hydrology department. Students of all classes, whether of class 1 or 12, they are provided with various facilities like stationery, pen and books from the book bank, along with the regular teaching classes in which approximately 100 students attend classes daily. Many co-curricular activities like oral competition, drawing competition are also organized to boost the confidence of small kids. It is further divided into two cells, Prerna on campus, which is active from Monday to Friday, and Prerna off campus, which is active on Saturday and Sundays. Nirman. As the name suggests, Nirman focuses on education among the children of construction workers who are involved in various building activities in the campus. When you go to the classes, you see many small kids playing, aged between 6 and 10. The aim of Nirman is not only to alleviate their difficulties, but also to convince their parents to enroll their wards in government school so that they can also be educated. Nirman is to Nirman their future, to remove darkness to the best possible limit. Health and environment. To help others, you should also be healthy. For this, every year, yoga camps are organized to remove their mental tension and to prepare the young brigade of engineers mentally as well as physically. Because it is often said that a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. Regarding health, the most popular, productive and successful camp is blood donation camp, where you do not donate money, you donate life. You donate something that is greater than any other donation. It doesn't only give you satisfaction, but also help those who can't afford 2 square meals a day. You are not forced to donate blood, but if you do so, you are given a lifetime blood donor card. Your full blood report, which costs more than ₹1,000, and biggest of all, satisfaction. Social awareness and human welfare. NSS is not restricted to only donating things. NSS is a multifunctional cell whose aim is to reform the society in any way, anyhow, by any means. Therefore, we also organize some events like Avrodh. It was a street play to reduce the generation gap amongst youth. Rupantaran. It was an awareness skit to motivate the people to work for the cause of nation and to exercise duties properly. All is not well. It was an initiative taken by first year rights to bring in front the other side of the coin, to take out the youth from the web of alcohol, smoking and other social things like corruption. NSS has also adopted some villages like Teliwala, Kalyar and Khanjarpur. Adopting means the villagers are told the importance of education for their children. In addition to this awareness skit, education programs are also run. Besides these, other activities like drawing competition, mathematics workshop are also conducted from time to time. If you think this will not help the society in any way, please look at these faces.
देखो रातों के सीने पे ये तो झिलमिल किसी लौ से उगे हैं, ये तो अंबिया की खुशबू है बागों से बह चले, जैसे कांच में चूड़ी के टुकड़े, जैसे खिले खिले फूलों के मुखड़े, जैसे बंसी कोई बजाए पेड़ों के तले, ये तो झोंके है पवन के, है ये घुंघरू जीवन के, ये तो सुर है चमन के खो न जाए, तारे जमीन पर रौनक गलियां है जैसे, खिलने की जिद पर कलियां है जैसे, मुट्ठी में मौसम की जैसे हवाएं